huge news for Kick today. The fact that they are now soft launching their creator incentive program, which, if you guys are somebody who has been like, well, when are they going to release an hourly wage for streamers? When are they going to start paying people to stream on their platform per hour? This is the news for you. With the launch of Kick's creator incentive program, they are going to be rolling out an hourly wage to streamers dependent on their CCV to people who qualify for it. So if that gets you excited, make sure that you guys go ahead and lick this like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, because you will be the first to know when these videos come out. I post videos on news, on how-tos, on stream tips and advice all the time, so make sure that you subscribe for free today to make sure you don't miss out on that content. But let's get on into this spicy, wonderful news. The co-founder of Kick, Eddie, who is on Twitter at Steak Eddie, recently posted this morning that the Kick streaming creator incentive program has been soft launched and is being tested by a small number of people. With this new automated payment structure, we look forward to investing more into small and medium-sized creators than all existing contracts to date combined. For more information to come, if you're already on Kick and meeting some of the previously discussed requirements, we'll be in touch soon. So that means that they don't want you to contact them at support at Kick or partners at Kick and reach out to be a part of this program. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, if you are, like Eddie was saying, a smaller, medium-sized creator that is already verified, that has 100 plus viewers, then this will be a very good program for you to be opted into and get paid to stream to the platform. Now, if you are somebody who is not even an affiliate, who is new to streaming, do not expect to get paid, because you will not get paid. The whole thing with this creator incentive program is that they want to reward the people who are already making good content on their platform. So if you are new and don't provide any value to Kick yet, then this is not going to be for you. But it does give you something to strive for. If you, for example, aren't even affiliate yet, shoot for affiliate. If you're an affiliate, shoot for verified. If you're already verified, meet the requirements you need in order to get the freaking frackin' bag of what this is going to do. Now, some of you might be asking, well, Lecka, how is it that I end up meeting these requirements? Now, these requirements that they have stated in order to be a part of this may end up changing. However, for the most part, this is what they have released so far for getting it. I am looking for the site right now because I know that they have it on here. Okay, so for hitting the shenanigans of what do I have to do to hit the requirement, this is all unedited, by the way, so that way I can get this out here sooner versus later. But you can see that if you are a just chatting IRL or gaming creator, then in order to, these are just preliminary, again, these are subject to change as they get more feedback from people who have been soft launched into this program and are testing it out and giving their feedback about it. But as of right now, you have to have 99 viewers in the past 30 days. So about 100 viewers in order to do it. You need to average about 200 subs on your channel. 57 of those need to be direct subs, not gifted. So you need to have at least 57 different people that have thought your content was good enough to sub to themselves, and you need to have a total of 200 subs, which can come from gifted. Now, you need to have about 495 unique chatters in the past 30 days. You need to stream at least 76 hours in the past 30 days, and you need to have at least 1,600 followers, which is big, right? They want to make this something that you strive for, that you have to push for, and they don't want to give this to just everybody because they want to see that you provide value to the platform, that you know how to grow a community, you know how to make good content, you know how to entertain, and they want to reward you for that. Now, if you are a musician, an artist, or are a niche person, like, for example, you do crocheting, or you do car, or you do tattooing, or whatever, right? Then you need to have an average of 65 viewers instead of 100. You still need to have an average of about 200 subs in the past month, but you only need to have 40 direct subs of different accounts subbing to your channel rather than 57. You need to have a little less active chatters or active unique chatters of about 450 instead of 500. And you need to have streamed for 55 hours in the past 30 days. Similar to the top one, you still need 1,600 followers, right, in order to hit these things, which is very, very cool. Now, you might be wondering, okay, well, I don't even get close to any of that. What am I supposed to do? Well, if you're not already making content on the platform, you might want to make an account and start, because now is a great time to get started streaming on Kick so that you can start working towards these metrics to make that bag, if that is your goal. And if you were wondering how to even reach affiliate to hit step 1 of this, then I have a video in the eye icon in the top right hand corner that you guys can click on that will help you learn how to become an affiliate on Kick so that you can then start working towards verification and then start working towards the creator incentive program. Additionally, there was the rumor going around that you were going to get $16 an hour. That's all hearsay. Just so you guys know, that is not an actual number that Kick has put out. That's just the internet. I know, shocker, the internet lies to you every now and then. But that was not something ever officially put out by Kick. So if you guys are like, oh, I really want 16 an hour, then it's going to be dependent for you if you apply and are able to qualify for the creator incentive program, depending on your CCV. So it will be different per person. If you're somebody that has 500 viewers, you're going to get paid more per hour than somebody who has 100 viewers, for example. So it makes sense. But I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Let me know, what do you think of the Kick Creator Incentive Program? Put it in the comments down below. I respond to every single comment, and I want to know, does this make you guys strive to have something to hit for beyond verification on Kick? Does this make you think that it's too hard and you wish the requirements were lower? What requirements do you think they should be instead to be realistic and not just given to every Joe Schmo that decides to start streaming and think that they're entitled to everything just because they hit go live? I would love to hear your thoughts. But without taking up any more of y'all's time, I will go ahead and let you beautiful people go. Goodbye, my lovelies.